Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Camera firmware and smartphone OS are up to date, and you have the official app ready. Put the camera in wireless or pairing mode now so signals are discoverable. Once done, enable Wi-Fi or Bluetooth on your phone and grant the app location and storage permissions if prompted. These allow service discovery and file transfer. Make sure battery levels are sufficient to avoid interruption while pairing and transferring images. You now complete the mid-stage configuration. Select Wi-Fi for large RAW files or Bluetooth for occasional control. Open the app, find the camera SSID, or accept the Bluetooth pairing code. Enter any PIN shown on the camera. Once connected, set transfer preferences like full-size versus JPEG only, auto-import folders, and whether you want remote shutter control. Make sure to test a quick transfer and preview to confirm image quality. You finish by making the connection reliable. Save the camera SSID and password, or assign a static IP if supported, so reconnects are seamless. Once done, enable auto-sync, geotagging, and cloud backup to streamline workflow, and test remote capture to verify full control. If something goes wrong, power cycle both devices, reset the camera's network settings, and remove the app pairing before retrying. This clears stale profiles and resolves most pairing errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.